So let's design our website. You see we have colored, so we have put this apple, beautiful apple, in our left top of our web page. So what we need to do is we need to give a design to this ref. So you see we have the link in here. So the ID is header and the link of the title it's a ref, so color design. So we're going to design this title. So we need to write just h1 header, and then you see we have the link. So we type links with A. So we open the curly brackets, and then we're going to design step by step or color design as a link. So the title of our web page. So you see this link over here. So we're going to give we're going to give a width. So we type once again, we're going to give a width to our link. So to our title, we're going to give around 400 pixels. And then we're going to give a height around 70 pixels. So that's enough. So I have just do it previously and it works fine with this. So we see it hasn't changed nothing yet. So what we're going to do now is we're going to display. So we're going to display your title as a block. So if you need to see the difference, what is the difference between displaying in block and displaying in line? So you just go to the VH3 school or in the Google and you just type so display block and inline. So you can read and see the difference between these two displays. So you can check, there are some examples in here, so in order to understand it better. So we're going to display as a block. So what we're going to do now, so we're going to give a background. So remember the background, so we're going to give the URL. So you remember we took this picture, so the title we took from the website Mon Panda. So you can go there and take also the same title. So we just check, so we have title.gif. So let's go and check the type of the picture. So we see in the details it's a GIF. So we type URL title GIF. So now that we have given a background URL title.gif, so we're going to put like no repeat. So we don't want this to repeat. So the position must be relative. So if you want to check the positions, so we have two positions in our CSS. We have position relative and absolute. So we're going to give a position. So you see now everything works fine. But now we need to put more in the left because it doesn't look like better. So we're going to put in the left around 350 pixels, and we're going to put in the top. So we're going to put in the top for 15 pixels. So now let's go and check. So let's go and check if something has been changed. So you see now the title has moved around 350 pixels to left and 15 pixels from the top. So you see the color design, it doesn't look like better. So we need to remove that link. So in order to remove the link, you can just type text indent. So the text indent will remove that link. So we're going to put around minus 5,000 pixels in order to remove that link. So let's refresh once again and check. So everything now works perfectly. So now you see we have the title color design that we have put in our web page. So now we're going to continue and design our navigation links in our next tutorial.